You know that song here where Bounty Killer sing, never let your problem get you down. You have to stay focused and know your ground. I saw it go. I saw me sing it, but a Bounty song. It in my head from morning. I'm just a drop a word of encouragement to you guys. If you wake up this morning and you feel depressed and you feel sad and you go through something, just always remember, it happen all the time. Don't it happen? And it always find a way of working out. Don't let it get to you. Because life is like it's always something. If you know hear somebody pass, if I know the bills them stress you, it just always every day, it just always something. So just block stress out of your mind, live your life the best you can, and focus on the positivity. Don't make the negativity dry you down and make you feel sad, mess up your day, and feel, you see me.